Alright, you see that all down through there? The trail is down through there that we came off of. This is a very steep climb. It's got to be 50-60 degrees in a number of areas. It takes your breath away hard when you come up it, let me tell you. And we came up this for one reason, because on the Alltrails reviews, people said, do not miss this when you come here. It's definitely worth doing. And you see right there the name of it. It is called the Twilight Tunnel. Over there is a sign that says, stop inside, allow eyes to adjust. So it's somewhat dark in there. And here is the tunnel bypass. So if you decide you don't want to go through that, you can go this way and get yourself around it. But see how big these rocks are? I'll show you all those. Look at this. Straight overhead. Wow. And the tunnel starts right there. So let's go in and let's see what we got. Ooh. Okay, that cool air, man. It is like air conditioning in here.
It was great.
Quite literally air conditioning. And look, you can see a little bit of the rock there. But look at this. This is like being in a slot canyon here. You see the hole up there. That's straight overhead right there. And here you're looking straight back in front like I am. And, oh man, it's rocky in here. Had to get my hat from underneath my arm. I couldn't adjust. Wow. It gets darker. I don't know how much of this is going to come through on this video. Oh my goodness, it is dark. I tell you what, because we at least got to see what this looks like, don't we? We got some light there with my phone. You can see up there we got light in there. You see the ground down here. Okay, so I don't know why they call this the Twilight Canyon, or you know, whatever they call it. It's just not showing up that great, but look, there's some natural light sneaking through here. Let me turn off. Okay.
That's what they call it, Twilight.
Can you see? Yeah, that little speck of light coming up through there. So that is lit up there, as you can see, all the way truly over my head. Here, try to get some more light here. You can see some of the walls. Pretty thin in here, but I'm walking through normally, so you know, you could be a little bit bigger and still get through here without having to turn sideways or anything, because we're both walking straight. So, but you can see the walls. Here's a step up right here, and then we got stairs. Yeah, these things are spiked into the ground here, and there's a little place that goes back in there, if you can see that. And then see, we just got to get up these stairs. Ouch. Now this part is tight, and I have a backpack on, so up here you can see all the daylight and some trees and stuff, but we're going this way. It's a high step right here. And then we're just about done. Yeah, this is pretty thin here, I gotta tell you. Like I said, I got a backpack on, but look here, we made it to daylight. My goodness. Look at all the little fungi on this tree. That's looking back into the canyon there. Those are here we got a flat rock. And look at this down there. Look at that rock standing down there. Isn't that cool?
That is super cool.
And here, wow, what a drop off. If you fell from here, it'd be over for you. It would be over. Oh yeah, it's completely over for you here. Here, let me put you out there a little bit and show you. What'd you think about that? Like I said, if you go over, you're done. And it looks like the trail goes on that way, and that's where we'll be heading.